All right, today we're going to be back working on the Arctic Wildcat. I ordered some parts for it. I ordered a Arctic winch plate, which will be the first half of this video. And that's the part number on it right there, if you're looking for one yourself. Looks pretty straightforward. Looks like this mounts this way. And it now provides a tow hook on the front as well. And then your winch will mount up here, which I have not yet bought. And then this goes behind it and clamps it to something on there. And then the second part of this video, maybe I'll just make it two separate ones actually. But if you want to watch my other video, I'm going to install this. It's a rear plastic kit, a rear window. That'll be the second video. In this video, we'll just do the winch plate and see how that goes. Got the instructions here. Open those real quick. So it looks like we're going to first remove the bottom two Torx screws mounting the front. These are not Torx anymore on mine, but these are now 8mm, but it says we're going to remove these two here. And then that's where the bottom, loosely secure the bottom of the mount using the screws from step one. So we're going to loosen these, I guess, and then lightly mount the plate. So let's do that real quick. If you're using I guess if yours is normal, these should be Torx. Mine are 8s. I guess I got something on the back holding them. Actually feels like that one might have broke loose on this side here. I'm going to grab something to hold the back of that. So to loosely mount this. Thinking that the screws that came up here originally were bigger because these will not fit now. So now I need to go find some bolts to fit this. So I'll be back. Okay, scratch that. I misread the instructions. They actually provide you new bolts for the bottom here. So we're going to use these. Oh, I got to find the Torx. It's probably hopefully a T30 like the rest of the vehicle. Looks like a T27 will work. Okay, that part is done. Once the bracket is positioned, rotate it so the half circle pipe grooves are placed around the frame tubes. So, it looks like you send this in face up with this little groove piece on the bottom. above the power steering rack, twist it into place. Okay. Secure the mount to the mounting bracket using the two provided M10 cap screws and two lock nuts. Tighten the 35 foot-pounds, alternating from side to side. Tighten the bottom screws to 7.5 foot-pounds. Wow, that's very light. So it says to feed these in this way, like so. Put the nut on the back. And then I guess we tighten them down. Alright, I don't know what size they are. I probably should have got that beforehand. Alright, it's a 15. Well, at least I think it is. There's nothing else fit. Alright, 15. 35 foot-pounds. Alternating from side to side. And just like that, it is done. That looks pretty nice. So now we just need a winch and to wire it up. So that'll be it for this video. Hopefully you found it informative, and hopefully the video turns out, and maybe I'll switch to this GoPro. But if it helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and we'll get started on the rear window.